So over here you can see that I got some past chats right here in Claude, and then if I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see that I got different chats right here. So one of the things that you can do to actually go ahead and better recognize your chat is you can go ahead and click right here and click on rename right here. So you can go ahead and, let's say for example, type in CV a generation right here, just like this, press save, and then that particular chat has been renamed. So apart from that, you may also want to actually go ahead and share this out with others for reference as well. So to do that, you can go around over here onto the top right hand side where you can see share. So if I were to go around over here and click on share right here, you can see that right now it's set to keep private, only you have access to it. But what you can do right here is you can go ahead and click on create public link right here, and as you do that, a public link is created. So you can go ahead and copy this, and let's say for example, if I were to go to incognito window right here and paste this out and press enter, then this is what you have, as you can see. And now you can see it says shared by TutorTube. That is because that is the name that I have right here in Claude. And this is basically how you can go ahead and rename out your content and then share out your content with others as a public link from Claude. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.